Okay, so welcome back. This time we are looking at deals. So if contact is where you keep track of your people, deals is where you can track your actual business opportunities you are working on. Think of it like your sales pipeline. Every potential project or sale lives here. So let me show you how it works. This is your deals page. So you can switch between two views. That is the bold view and the list view over here, which shows everything in a table, but both of them shows the same deals, just laid out differently, so you can use whichever one works for you. So to create a new deal, you click on new deal here. You fill in the things that are in red asterisks because those are the most important. Select a contact associated with it. You put in the value of the deal, put in the stage that it is in at the moment. Choose an expected close date also. Then you create a deal. Once your deal is created, you can click on the deal here to open the details. From here, you can update the stage, add notes, log calls, link tasks associated with this deal. You can also track everything that happening around the deal. Also, if you are in Kanban view, you can also drag a card from prototype to RFQ or to quote approved. This way, you can move them according to how the deals progress. This stage help you see exactly where each deal is at a glance, whether it is something new or something that is in progress or something that has been done, the average size deal also. So that is deals in a nutshell.